Hello children, how are you all? Welcome you all for the online classes. This is your maths class. Today we are going to learn about linear equation. Yes children, do you know what is a linear equation? Okay. So, a linear equation is nothing but it is an algebraic equation in which each term is either a constant or the product of a constant and a variable. Yes children, what is the meaning of a constant? What's the meaning of a variable? Okay, let us first see the definition and then I will explain about the constant and the variable. So here you can see one equation is there, ax plus b is equal to 0. Here a and b are constant. Okay children. So what is an equation? First let us learn about an equation. What is an equation children? For example, here you can see they have given one equation. 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. So here left side you are having 2x plus 5 and right side you are having 9 and in the middle you are having equal to sign. Okay children, so equation will be in this form. Okay, this is called as an equation. Yes, one equal to will be there, a right side and an equal sign separating the sides. Equal sign which separates the both the sides. So let us see what is a coefficient, variable, constant. A variable is an unknown number and generally it is represented by a letter like x, y, n, etc. Here in this equation you can see 7n plus 2. Yes children, here this n, this is known as a variable. Okay, it will be in the form x, y, anything variable. Constant means any number without any variable. Here you can see 2. Only 2 is there. And in that 2, no variables are there. Okay. So that is known as a constant. A separate number without any variable. That is a constant. A number followed by a variable is called coefficient of that variable. Here n is a variable children. So what is the number which is attached with that variable? 7. Okay, that 7 is known as a coefficient. A term in any number or variable separated by operators. So here you can see a plus operation here. So in the middle you can get negative operation, that is minus, plus, anything. Okay, that is known as a operation. So how we use these equation in our day-to-day life children? Maths is a very important thing which we are using in our day-to-day life without our knowledge. We don't know. We think that maths is a subject. During that period we have to copy the sums from the book to the note. That's all. That's all we know about maths. But maths is a very fun subject. Daily we are using maths in our day-to-day life. Okay, so here one example how linear equations are used in our day-to-day life. So for example, you are going to a shop, okay, and you are buying a chocolate or a pen, something. Okay, so here like that sort of example they have given one example. One child buys 3 toys costing rupees 20 each from a shopkeeper but gives only 5 rupees to him. So here they have formed one equation to find the total value of items with the child. So the equation is denoted by 3y minus 5 where y is the cost of one toy. Yes, the child buys 3 toys from the shopkeeper. Okay, so the cost of one toy is rupees 20. So they have given 3y and the child gives only 5 rupees to the shopkeeper. Okay, so minus 5. So we can find it here. 3 into 20 is 60. 60 only 60 rupees. The cost of the toys is 60 rupees. But the child has given only 5 rupees to the shopkeeper. Yes, 60 minus 5. How much balance the child has to give to the shopkeeper? You can find out easily using this linear equation. Okay children, so like this we use linear equation in our day-to-day life. Okay, so in the next video we will be doing some of the problems based on the linear equation. Thank you.